Hi guys, how you doing? I hope that you're doing wonderful. I hope that you're doing marvelous. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Emma, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today we are doing a maintenance vlog. My hair is not giving, it's looking just and also my nails, woo, they have served, so they are about to go. We are doing a little bit of hair doing, nails care, skincare routine. Then I show you some products I got for my hygiene products, that video that I posted a while ago, a few weeks ago. So come along with me, please. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video, and please like my videos so that I can get promoted to other people. Let's hit 400 before the end of the year, and tutakuwa tumegrow by 200 people plus. That is amazing for me. Hey, I love you. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I've talked too much. So friends, Merry Christmas by the way. The first thing I'm gonna do is go through my shower routine, because there are a few things that I decided to change and some products that I incorporated in my new regime. So the first product there was the Savlon disinfectant for the body, and this body shower from Hobby in the fragrance pomegranate. These are some shavers from Bic, the 5-pack one, very affordable, and some washcloths. I use a lot, I know. I use an exfoliating glove, a rough shower cloth, and a soft towel. And this is my Thamar exfoliating body scrub, the best. It smells so good. It smells like sweets, candy, everything sweet. And now also I used a rice soap for my face, and it also smells very nice. It helped me with my acne. And the last thing that I'm gonna use, I know vitu ni mingi, but nusia makwapa yako, tell me, does it smell good? No, so you better change. I used the new pink Imperial leather soap, and the first step is to wash my body first with the soap, the Imperial leather. This is just to remove the dirt, sweat from the day's activities, and just to make my body ready for the other things. I know I use a lot of things, and I don't do this every day, maybe once a weekend, and that is working good for me. After I've rinsed my body, I'm gonna go through with the scrub to exfoliate my skin. One thing about this exfoliating glove, it will always do the job, and I make sure to scrub around my chest area, my back, especially my upper back since I have back acne, and also my joint areas, my knees and elbows, anywhere that inahitaji exfoliating. You need a lot of exfoliating if you have acne on your back and on your arms and chest. And also go through your neck. I don't want to see those demarcation lines on your neck. Wash your neck, please. Okay? Then afterwards I rinse off everything, and you can see that glove, it has served. You can see the color. Yes, that's a sign that you should get a new or to change up your shower routine. So to make my skin more supple, moisturized, I go in with my shower gel. It smells so lovely. It leaves my skin smelling so good for hours. And one thing about this shower cloth, it's gonna scrub your back with ease and make you reach those two corners that you didn't know existed. Then I dried myself up, ready for moisturizing. I have not pretty much like changed my moisturizing routine. You can check my other videos. I just use my lotion to make my skin moist. And lastly, I seal everything in with my shea butter, body oil, body butter that is, and everything is good. Then I decided to do my nails. My nails were pretty much damaged from removing the previous set I had, because I could not wait nifike kwa studio yangu nitoe vizuri nika peel off, and it really like damaged my nails. So I was doing a very simple set and something that will not harm my nails anymore, you know. And I did a red Christmas themed, very simple nail gel, and everything was looking so cute. I'm one of those nail techs that don't love to do my nails, and I did the same thing for my fingernails and my toenails. So afterwards, I decided to wash my hair. I used this body wash. It's so good. Actually, it has menthol. That is why I decided to use it for my hair instead of my shampoo, and used my normal Mikala hair treatment for moisturizing and treating my hair. Since I was not doing anything on my hair, I was not getting it braided. I want to shoot some content before I actually get it braided. So I went for it to get a good stretch and a blow dry. If you know me, you know I am a natural hair enthusiast, and this process I actually hate it. I hate the heat, I hate the bumping, I hate this process. And I was telling her, relax bwana, hii si ya chinifujo, hii ni kichwa yangu, relax. It is not a sweet process. I'm looking forward to invest in a good, like those Dyson hair dryers. Yeah, those ones. I would really appreciate that one. After suffering, I went back home and decided to do my face routine. And actually, I'm trying out something here, something new, and I was excited with the results. I'm trying out my new facial regime. I missed a step, cleansing with a chemical cleanser before I actually went in with my soap. And you know, I just love double cleansing. It has really helped me a lot. I don't get as much breakouts as I used to get before, and my acne has really reduced. And also, I used to have a lot of oil, especially around my T-zone area. One down part about this soap is it really literally made my skin so dry, especially around my eyebrows, and sometimes I get some white flakes, but I can deal with that with a little bit of shea butter. I don't exfoliate my skin regularly because it's harmful when you do it too much, but I love to do it because I do makeup. So I usually exfoliate around my mouth and my T-zone area, sana, and also my nose. I don't want those white heads that people get and you walk around with them. So I moisturize my face with my shea butter, and next thing I'm gonna do is get my eyebrows ready for some grooming. And I've done this video kitambo, iko kwa videos zangu. You should go there and watch it. And I'm just gonna use a regular razor because, you know, I'm experienced in this. Don't try this at home. After everything is trimmed and shaped well, I decided to do something new that I learned, that is henna on my brows and making everything clean by washing. There's this henna that a friend of mine had and I got it, but I did not like it, so I will not give the name to you because I don't recommend it. I mixed everything up and started to sculpt my new look, and that's on shape shifting. After I was satisfied with how everything turned out, I decided also to do falsies, temporary falsies that could last like as long, it depend na vile unaziangalia, and I could not get the individual falsies and I was quite in a hurry. I decided to use the strip one but separated individual lashes. That's how determined I am. You can see, give me a like for that. And I used that glue. It's Lanelle. It is a hair bond glue, but it worked so well. I loved the result. I loved the look. I was looking so chic, so sophisticated, and everything was crisp. Wow, look at it. It's not budging. So good. So we are almost coming to the end of the video. Please subscribe, turn on the notifications, and also leave a thumbs up for me, and finally comment down in the comment section so that you can interact. And finally, look at how everything turned out. I was so gorgeous. My skin is thriving and everything is looking good. Where's my camera like that? I don't understand. Kwa nini iko whitish? Let me clean it. I think it's better. And I hope that you can see me. Hi guys. Finally, I am done with my maintenance, and as you can see, I'm looking cute as hell. I do not want to do my hair like braiding. Currently, I am doing a lot of content with my hair this season, and also I kind of removed my falsies that I put on, but nilikaa nazo for like a week nikatoa because I felt like my eyes were itching a bit, and you know, they are synthetic, they are not the original like individual lashes. So I would definitely advise you to get good quality individual lashes. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified every time I post a new video, and please leave me a thumbs up, comment down below so that you can interact, and finally copy the link and share, support my small venture. Najua watu wa Instagram na waingilianga saa zingine, lakini as I should, sindio, I must push you ndo muni support kidogo tu. But anyways, we will see each other next time, same place kama kawaida. May you have a blessed season, may you have good time with your family and friends, and I wish you all the best as we get into the new year, and you know, just God's blessings, God's love, God's speed. Thank you so much for always being my #1 fan, and I love you so much. Bye bye and happy holidays. Mwah.